In this video, I will show you how you can create presentations for your universities and other projects for free in just few seconds with the help of AI. So for that, first of all, you have to go to Google and search gamma.app. After searching that, you have to click on the first link here and it will redirect you to this website. And after going to this website, you have to click on sign up for free. So after clicking that, you have two options. You can sign in with your email or your Google account. So I will sign in with my Gmail. After selecting this, it will ask for one of your Gmail, and after that it will sign in. Then you have to click on create new, and then you have three options. You can paste the text or import the file or URL or generate directly. So we will go to generate directly, click on continue, and after that you have three options to make presentation, website, document. You can make any of these things, but in this video we will make presentation, and for that you have to describe the title of your presentation first. And let's say the title is advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence, and then you have to click on generate outline to generate the topics of each page, and these are the outlines you have for your presentation. Then you have to describe the amount of text per card. You can make it brief or medium or even detailed if you want, or you have other option. So by default is medium, and we will go with medium, and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, it will ask for themes of your presentation. So there are a lot of themes for your presentation. Let's say this one is looking good. Whatever you choose, I think this one is good, and after selecting that you have to click on generate. So after clicking on generate, it will take a while, and the AI will generate your presentation in real time. So it is going to generate. So as you can see, it is generating the presentation in real time, and the outline you have seen earlier is actually a topic and heading title of each page. So we are going to have 9 pages for presentation. It will take a while, and after that it will be completed. It also adds a lot of images for your presentation to make it look better, and as you can see it has been created. So now it is time to export this to present. You can click on share, and now you have option to share it directly or export. So we will go export, and you have two formats here. You can either export this presentation in PDF or in PowerPoint. Let's export in both formats, and after a while it will be start downloading. And as you can see, it has been downloaded. So if we open that, you can see is a there is a watermark made with gamma. So now we need to remove this watermark which is on every page, and for that we have to open this in PowerPoint. So let's open this in PowerPoint and click on enable editing. So after enable editing, you can see there is a watermark here, and you can click on this and press delete. Then you have to manually delete or cut this from each page, and after you are done, you have to simply save the file. So let's delete this from each page, and yeah, now you have to just save this file. Click on save and it is saved. So if you open it again, you will see there will be no watermark. The watermark is now vanished, and no one just get to know about that you have made this in few seconds with the help of AI. So yeah, that's for the video, and this is how you can create a presentation for your project with the help of AI. And if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.